Okay, today we're going to begin lesson 3.1, Count Equal Groups. Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group. Okay. Tim has 6 toy cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? So how many wheels are on each car? I'm going to go back to my story. How many wheels are on each car? Each car has 4. How many equal groups of wheels are there? How many cars are there? 6. How can you find how many wheels are in all? So, how do we solve this? I'll give you a couple of options. You can do an array. Okay, so I'm going to write that. Make an array, comma. You can also skip count by 4. Or you could skip count by 6. Okay. All right, so it says use counters to model the equal groups. Draw 4 counters in each group. So they did the first row for us. I'm going to trace the second row. And then I have to draw the rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, skip count to find how many wheels in all. So skip count by 4s until you say 6 numbers. So 4, 8, 12. I can't really remember how to skip count by 4. So what can I do? Okay, I'm at 12, so 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I remember. It's 24. So there are blank groups with blank wheels in each group. Okay, let's go back up here to our information. Which one talks about groups? The 6. So there are 6 groups with how many wheels? 4 wheels in each group. So how many are there in all? So there are 24 wheels in all. Example, count equal groups to find the total. Sam, Kyla, and Tia each have 5 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all? How many pennies does each person have? Each have 5. How many equal groups of pennies are there? How many people do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to draw 5 counters in each group. They did the first one for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are blank groups of 5 pennies. How many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 groups of 5 pennies. Think, there are blank 5s. How many 5s do I have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 5s. So skip count to find how many pennies. So, okay, we have 5, 10, 15. I could have also counted each individual circle. So how many pennies do they have? So they have 15 pennies. Explain why you can skip count by 5s to find how many. Well, we can do that because each group of how many? 3 has the same amount. Share and show. Complete. Use the picture. Skip count to find how many wheels in all. So I know everybody has 2, but I've got to figure out how many groups. That would be our green circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 2. How many 2s do I have? 4. It's the same thing. Skip count by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 wheels. Draw equal groups. Skip count to find how many. So I have 2 groups of 6. So I need to draw 2 big circles. Okay? And how many little circles am I going to put in it? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so now I have 2 groups of 6. Now I can either count by 2s or I can count by 6s. So I'm going to count by 6s. So 6, 12. 2 groups of 6 is 12. I could have also counted each individual circle. Over here, I have 3 groups of 2. So I'm going to draw 3 big circles. And then how many am I going to put in each? 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to count by 2. So 2, 4, 6. 3 groups of 2 is 6. Now here, they gave me the groups and the circles. So now I've got to figure out how many groups of the number I have. So I'm going to start with my big circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 1, 2, 3. I have 4 groups of 3. Now I'm going to skip count by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So I have 12 in all. Over here, how many big circles do I have? 1, 2, 3. What are they groups of? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 3 groups of 7. So I'm going to count by 7. 7, 14, 21. So I have 21 in all. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to draw equal groups and I'm going to skip count to find how many. So again, 3 groups of 3 big circles with how many in each? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to skip count by 3. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Now I'm going to do 2 groups of 9. So 2 big circles with 9 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I kind of had to cram it in there. I'm going to count by 9. So 9, 18. A toy car costs $3. A toy truck costs $4. Which cost more, 4 cars or 3 trucks? So I'm going to go back to my sheet here. Okay, what would cost more? I'm going to make arrays to figure this out. Okay, let's start with cars. I have 4 cars, so I'm going to draw 4 straight across. And how much do they cost? They cost $3. Okay, so this represents 4 cars, this represents $3. Now I have to continue to fill in my array. Okay, so I can skip count by 4. So 4, 8, 12. So 4 cars cost $12. All right, what about a truck? Okay, there are 3 trucks, so I'm going to draw 3. And they each cost $4. So I'm going to draw 4 down. Okay, so there's my 3 trucks at $4. Finish your array. I'm going to try very hard to get this video finished before the morning announcements come on. So I'm going to skip count by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Uh-oh. They are each $12. So which cost more? Neither. They cost the same amount. All right. Elliot has a collection of 20 toy cars. Will he be able to put an equal number of toy cars on 3 shelves? Explain your answer. Well, let's see. Can we even get to 20 if we skip count by 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. No. So, no, because you cannot get to 20 counting by 3. All right, now, guys, you can reference this video as many times as you need to. You do have an assignment for lesson 3.1. Good morning,